Canvacon by Transportable Shade Sheds. Transportable Shade Sheds is a game changer in the global manufacturing industry. Our award-winning products boast a state-of-the-art bending and swaging technology that has sold over 70,000 units and counting, due to its strength and practical application. Think about how much you spent for your car, boat, or caravan. These expensive items merit a good amount of protection. You wouldn't want them exposed to the damaging heat of the sun, rain, hails and other hazards. Thankfully, we've got you covered with Canvacon by Transportable Shade Sheds, a lasting investment for your shade solution. Our product comes neatly packed in a compact and ergonomic packaging. The Canvacon is made from galvanized box steel tubing, tested to last and endure the sun and other weather conditions. We use a no-rust bend technology that bends galvanized box steel tubing without distortion. This bend makes it 30% stronger than anything else in the market. We use the scoping tube connection system feature. No cutting or welding is required during its assembly. You can easily assemble the Canvacon in 3 hours or less with our unique connection system. You don't need any expertise to assemble it. It features a waterproof roof cover with 100% UV protection that is hail-proof. This gives it a great strength-to-weight performance. It is simple, well-designed and an excellent value for money. The Canvacon comes in 2 sizes: Canvacon Single and Canvacon Double. The Canvacon Single is 3,170 mm wide, 5,950 mm long, and 2,840 mm high. The Canvacon Double is 5,930 mm wide, 5,950 mm long, and 2,840 mm high. Our products are 100% Australian designed, comes with engineered plans and certificates, and meets Australian standards, making council approval easy. There is also a variety of hold-down options that will suit your requirements. We have ground anchors for semi-permanent installation on good cohesive soil, and the concrete pier kit, or the concrete diner bolt for a more permanent installation on concrete. Our Canvacon can also be installed on uneven ground or made higher with our optional riser kits. You can also choose from a variety of colors for your roofing. Not only can it give protection to your cars, boat, or caravans, they can provide a comfortable shade anywhere you need it. Cost-effective, long-lasting, multi-purpose, and fully transportable. No council approval needed in some cases, since it's fully transportable. Call us now and get shaded. We're offering huge discounts, so act now while our supplies lasts. Click the like and share button, subscribe to our YouTube channel. To get more information and exciting deals, check the link to our website and Facebook page, down in the description box below.